Hello and welcome to Steve's Retro Loft. Today I'm not actually sitting in a fridge, as you can tell, I'm in my loft, but it sounds like I am. Actually what it is, it's the sound of the fan, the internal fan on my Mac Classic 2. Yeah, it's a bit of a noisy bugger. I mean, we got rid of the hard drive and that was noisy, and replaced it with a SCSI, blue SCSI device, which is great. It's a little bit slow, but it's not the blue SCSI. I think it's because I'm running System 7.5, which is probably not very good for this Mac. Anyway, what I have done to try and get rid of this sound, or this annoying hum, is bought a premium fan. Didn't realise that was a thing. So, does it actually make any difference? And is it £14.99 well spent? Let's have a look, and we'll see what it does or doesn't. See you in a bit. Right, now this isn't a how to do it video. I'm just going to have a quick look. But one thing I would say is, if you are working on an old computer like this, beware. The switch mode power supply in the Mac and the EHT tube contains a lot of voltages. The EHT tube is about 15 to 20,000 volts. It's low current, so it'll wake you up and may not do much damage, or it might. The switch mode power supply in the UK will be running at 240 volts, and that probably can do you a lot of damage. So if you don't know what you're doing, don't do it. And if you do it, it wasn't my fault. There you go. Anyway, so how do I get to the fan? As you can see, it's hidden away there. A couple of options. I can either take the power supply off, but the power supply board is a bit of a pain, it's quite big, or there's the hard drive and floppy drive caddy. Now, I did say there was no hard drive. Obviously, I've left the old hard drive in here. It made sense. It came with the machine. I might as well keep it complete. Obviously, the SCSI is now running on the SCSI 2 device here, which I probably should sort out a proper sort of box for it at some point, but there you go. Anyway, so the easiest option for me is to pop the logic board off, because this is really easy. It slides out. There's a couple of screws for the hard drive caddy and the floppy drive caddy, and once I've got that, I then should be able to, if I can work my way around the neck, get access to it. There's a couple of screws, but it should give me a bit more access to to get a screwdriver in there. But as I said, this isn't a how-to, but this is just a quick will this fan make a difference? I hope it does, because I don't like taking these things apart just for the fun of it. As you can see, the fan's in situ, and it's quite quiet. I'll put the microphone as close as I can to it. So I'll put the case back on and see if the sound is better. I mean, it should be. I mean, it's a lot better already. So, whether it echoes a little bit with the big empty case around it, I'm not sure. But I'll put it back on and we'll have a quick look. This isn't an advert for this fan, but I was just surprised, the sort of stuff you get with it. I'm guessing it's a premium fan, so they've got lots of cables to convert to do lots of various different things. So, and there's some sort of noise suppressing sort of rubber clips there, which probably fit on a normal standard PC case, but obviously not an old Mac from 1992. But a lot to it, but it's and there were lots of other options out there, but I thought I'd plump for this one because it had good reviews, mostly positive 4 and 5 star reviews. There's a few 1-star reviews saying it wasn't powerful enough, but to be honest, I'm not calling a modern day graphics card. It's an old Mac running a 68,000 6830 or 40 processor, can't remember. But so it's expensive, but it seems to work. Hi, right, Mac is now back up and working. I'll put the microphone as close as I possibly can to the speaker. Not sure if it's detecting a background hum or not. I shall but it's a lot quieter, it's a lot better. I'm quite happy with that. It's I say it's been a bit expensive for a fan. I mean, $14.99. I mean, I'm sure it came in quite an elaborate box. Most PC fans would probably come in a sort of plain white throwaway box like that. So it's expensive. Anyway, let's have a quick look at the old fan. It's the old Canon fan, 12-volt fan. What I had to do, because the new fan had a 4-pin connector, I didn't chop the cables out, but to squeeze the old pins out of the old connector and just put the new ones in. And the polarity is reversed as well, so obviously what was the position it was in, position 1 and 2 on the cable, whatever way it is, but it was one was 12 volts and one was ground, and it's the opposite way to how it is on the Mac, so I just had to twist the cable a little bit. But other than that, it's been good. It means I can use the Mac. I mean, I could use it anyway, but it was just that annoyance, that sound, that sort of constant humming, which is worse than my accents. But yeah, so it's all up and working, so brilliant. So very short video today, so thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.